The inspiration for the chicken masachan came from my travel in Israel and filming with Chef Nofa Tamna. It's a classic Arabic dish that we've adapted for the American kitchen. In this version, we're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which we season with chicken bouillon instead of salt and pepper on both sides. You start by searing the chicken in olive oil until it's golden, then flipping it and searing it on the other side. When it's slightly golden on both sides, remove from the pot. Add about 4 or 5 onions that have been peeled, cut in half, and sliced, and saute until they are wilted and slightly golden. Add the chicken back to the pot over the onions. Add olive oil to the pot to cover the chicken fully. Depending on how much chicken you're cooking, you're gonna need a lot of oil. Add spices, star anise, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, cardamom pods, and allspice. Cover and cook on a low heat for about 2 hours until the chicken is fork tender. At this point, you're ready to plate. Take the flatbread, brush lightly with Hellmann's or Best Foods mayonnaise, and put on the grill for just a few seconds to get the bread nice and moist. Place the bread on your serving dish. Shred the chicken with some of the onion and some of the olive oil and put it over the bread. Top the chicken with a fresh herb salad made of parsley leaves, cilantro, mint, basil, thinly sliced semi-spicy peppers such as red jalapeno or serrano, and tossed lightly with Hellmann's lemon za'atar dressing and a touch of salt. So here is our final dish, chicken masachan. Enjoy!